Hello, my nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. People, I am so excited. Rossi approached me and they said, hey, if you want, you can make a video and we'll send you a free sample kit. So thank you, Rossi. As part of their Stars Influencers program, they sent me a free sample kit. And all I have to do is make 2 videos. I do want to say that I was not asked to give a good rating. They didn't ask anything else except for, hey, we're going to give you this free thing and then you just make 2 videos about it. So here we go. This first one is going to be an unboxing of this stuff. So let's crack the box open. I'm so excited. And let's see what we get inside. So it's bubble wrapped. And it looks like we get up to 3 weeks of salon quality nails. What's inside? Peep in to find out, peeps. That we know you'll love. Secret, easy to apply, long lasting, odorless, acrylic alternative. I believe it's dip powder. Secret Mystery Box. Oh, I'm so excited. I mean, it's not so secret if I share it with you, but we're doing it. So inside, it's so cute. Okay, I'm guessing, oh my gosh, that is a teeny tiny, hey now, that is a sample, right? So this is, okay, so this is your smaller version of a dip powder. And then my guess is they're gonna give us 3 dip liquids. So let me get those out of the box, which they are securely held in there. Okay, I use the gel method for dip powders, so I'll probably do it with their stuff and see what happens. And I'm gonna follow the directions and all that good stuff in another video. But for right now, this is me unboxing their Secret Mystery Box by Rossi. So what do you get? You get a glam powder, and I'm not really sure, Mad About You. I mean, I'm not mad at the color, but I'm not in love either. Is it a baby pink? Is that what it is? Looks like a pastel pink. And of course, oh, maybe there's a shimmer to it. And of course, you guys know you actually have to swatch these things in order to find out what they actually look like. So I'm pretty excited about doing that. I kind of was hoping for something a little bit more vibrant because, as you can see, I like to do some crazy things with my nails. But there's definitely a time and place for this color. So what do you get? You get the glam powder, the dip powder. You get a base coat, an activator, and a top coat. So it looks like there might be 4 different ones, and you get 3 of those 4. I don't know, maybe there's one, maybe it's a primer or something. Anyway, people, I am super excited in order to talk to you about the Secret Mystery Box. Thank you, Rossi, for the free sample kit, and stay tuned for my next video in which I will be using the Rossi Secret Mystery Box in a new video. Yeah! Here's a fun little tidbit. Rossi gave me a discount code so that you could head on over to rossinails.com and use the code GrooveMama to get 20% off of your order. That is awesome sauce, you guys. Go check it out. Follow me on Instagram at GrooveMama, and feel free to like this video, subscribe. That would be amazeballs. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!